Hello guys, how are you doing? So I'm going to show you how you can whiten your teeth in Photoshop as quick as possible. First, select the action part of eyes and teeth whitening. Go direct. Let's zoom in a little bit. Go direct to the brush. Start applying it very careful so might not go off track as you're applying it. Increase the size of the brush. As you can see, I've gone off track over there, but no worries. Yeah, the first, as you can see, I'm going off track because I want to save your time. Yeah, whatever that you're doing, but it ain't a big deal. Yeah, just like that. Let's try and go slowly this time. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Just smooth. Just like that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Like that. And then the list. And then these ones. Yeah, just like that. You can see I've gone off. But with yours, be careful because mine I'm just showing on you on how you can do it. Yeah, so as you can fit. As you fit on screen, you can see, let's just erase the last one. As you can see, uh the way it looks right now, it's totally different. Yeah, it looks different on how it looked. Yeah, just like that. And you're good to go. Clean picture. Yeah. Anyways, if it has helped you, follow, subscribe for more tips and tricks on Photoshop on how you can edit photos, creating posters, and logos.